What is going on, guys? We're back with another video today. Now today we are doing something a little bit different. I've actually done this with my car before, but when I did this I ended up undoing it. So basically what I'm doing today is I am Plastidipping my car. It's gonna look insane. Huge shout out to dipyourcar.com. Luckily they were nice enough to supply all the materials I need. If you guys want to check out the material, product, things like that, I'm gonna put their YouTube channel and their website down below so you guys can give them a follow. Their YouTube channel has tons of tutorials. The thing is, you can do pearls now, you can do gloss. There's so many things you can do with Plastidip, and it's extremely easy to use and to remove. So I highly recommend checking it out if you've never heard of it, or if you've been thinking about doing it. Here's your chance to see what it's gonna look like. Right now, we're gonna be driving to my buddy Sean's shop. Anytime you Plastidip, vinyl wrap, anything like that, make sure your car is clean of any debris, dust, dirt, anything like that. It has to be clean or it's gonna not come out the way you want it to. So always clean your car before you do any type of process. And this goes for anything: painting, vinyl wrapping, Plastidipping, all that stuff. So let's hop into it. I gotta start driving. It's about a 40-minute drive. And just make sure if you're doing things like this, you always gotta have that Monster energy, you know what I'm saying? Monster, if you wanna hook it up, send me some cans. All right, guys, so we time warped a little bit. I already taped off the car. I'm not taping off the headlights or the side windows because I've already sprayed my car before, so I do know that by doing this, I can peel it off with no issues. It just saves a little bit more time taping wise. I obviously don't want to use the shop all day and all night because I would feel bad just because he is letting me use it. So I am trying to speed up the process just a little bit more. So I have, you know, the important stuff taped off. I got the grill. I have the bottom because it's exposed down there. I don't want any spray going into the radiator. Now right here, I know it's gonna be able to peel a clean line, so I'm gonna leave these black. So I'm gonna black out the chrome trim. Same thing over here. Like I said, I am not taping off these windows because I'm just gonna peel it straight off. It's gonna be perfectly fine. I'm not worried about it. Tape off the big window. Took off the back of the license plate. Spraying right over the taillights because I'm not worried about it. Alright guys, so my camera actually just died, so I'm using my iPhone again. Just like last video I actually forgot my camera. This video my camera died, I forgot the charger. It is what it is. 6 coats of the regular black Plastidip. I'm about to mix the clear coat in with the black. Time that's done, that should be dried. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below so far. Honestly, I like it. It's gonna look 10 times better once I peel off the headlights, the windows and things like that, and once you start seeing everything else pop with it, it's going to look great. The only thing I am worried about is that my wheels are still silver because I have not put my new wheels on yet. I still have to get new tires. I'm waiting to hear on a sponsorship about them, so that's why I'm being kind of patient about it, because I'd rather get tires with a sponsor than go and spend $900 on tires. So, you know, we're going to see what happens with that, but yeah, stay tuned. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. And give the video a thumbs up if you like the new paint. So I just put one of the clear coat, which is the DYC top coat, and I mixed it with the regular black Plastidip. You're supposed to mix it at a 50-50 ratio, so basically you pour the black in first, and then as you're pouring the clear coat in, you use a drill and you mix it with the mixer that they give you. The coat is drying right now, but the difference it's making just over one coat is just blowing my mind, and it makes me so happy right now because I thought it was gonna be a little bit less dark just by how it looked before I put the clear coat on. And as you can see, you can already start seeing the satin. All these lines are from the drying process, obviously. But you can just see the shine in it. And that's just one coat. I'm probably gonna do 2 or 3 coats depending how shiny I want it to look. The second coat's gonna be a little bit probably thicker. And then, because obviously I'm gonna already have the coverage that I need. So it should look a lot better after the second coat. Once this coat dries, we're gonna get back to it. And yeah, if you guys are enjoying what I'm doing right now, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I'm always doing new things to my vehicle like this. And like I said, this is exactly why I wasn't worried about not taping the windows. There's no spray at all. If you guys enjoy it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you follow my Instagram. You can see a lot more pictures of this thing blacked out. Put my new wheels on soon, and yeah, let's finish peeling off this car. All right, so it's the next day, or I should say morning, and I just woke up, slept in this shirt, threw a jacket on, threw some pants on. So I just drove to this industrial park because I want to take a few quick photos, but I wanted to show you guys what the car looked like in the daytime. You know, it's not sunny outside, which kind of sucks because I wanted to see how the satin would look in the sun, but it is rainy and it still looks really good. I think it looks badass in the rain, to be honest. So yeah, this is what it basically looks like in the light. Obviously, like I said, there is no sun, but it looks so good. And like I said, I'm kind of glad that the wheels look really good with the silver. It goes with the chrome very well. I'm going to see how my black wheels look with it, and we're going to decide which ones I like better. And if I don't like the black wheels on the black matte finish, then I'm probably going to sell them, because like I said, I got a good deal on them, so I'm going to sell them for probably more than what I paid. So yeah, if you guys want a look like this, this kit was, I think, around 500 bucks with everything that was included: the paint, the satin finish, the sprayer, the covers, all that stuff. So I mean, you know, 500 bucks is cheap for changing the entire look of your vehicle. I mean, it's peelable paint. It doesn't hurt your vehicle's paint at all. You can peel it anytime you want. You know, it's really easy to take care of. There's no issues. You can go to power washes, things like that. So yeah, go show Dip Your Car some love. The link to the website is going to be in the description. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them. They have a really good customer support team. They can answer any questions that you need. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the new paint. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you did, give a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, because I'm always doing stuff like this. Hopefully you guys like the new color. I love it. Like I keep saying, it's just amazing. And yeah, make sure you turn on those post notifications so you know every time I post a video, whether it's a little bit sooner than usual or later, you guys will always be in the loop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you next week. Peace.